you're experiencing issues with your PlayStation 5 graphics settings, follow these steps to adjust and optimize them for the best gaming experience. Step 1. Access settings. Navigate to the home screen of your PS5 and select the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 2. Select screen and video. In the settings menu, scroll down and choose the screen and video option. This section contains all the display and video output settings for your console. Step 3. Adjust video output. Under the video output section, check the resolution and HDR settings. Ensure that your PS5 is set to the highest resolution supported by your TV, such as 4K, and enable HDR if your display supports it. Step 4. Configure game presets. Still in the screen and video menu, look for the game presets option. Here, you can choose between performance mode and resolution mode, depending on whether you prefer higher frame rates or better graphics quality. Step 5. Test your settings. After making adjustments, exit the settings and launch a game to test the new graphics settings. Pay attention to the visual quality and performance to ensure everything is working as desired. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your PlayStation 5 graphics settings for an enhanced gaming experience. Enjoy your gaming.